Hey everybody, welcome back. And in this video, you will need a piece of paper. You will need scissors, if you have them. If not, we can just tear the paper. But if you have scissors, you'll need those. Okay? And a pencil. So paper, scissors, pencil. Okay? Go ahead and pause the video and get those things and then join me again. Okay, with your paper, we're going to fold it in half, which means we're going to match up the sides. And you know, when we fold in half, we make two equal pieces. But we're going to fold it in half again, which means we're going to match the top and the bottom. Okay? Now, when we fold something in half two times, now we have fourths, four equal pieces. Okay? You can see we have four boxes and you can see the fold lines. So with your scissors, go ahead and cut on each of the fold lines. And when you do that, you should make four cards like this. Okay? Now, we're going to use these as word cards at the end of the lesson, and we're going to write some words on them with our pencil. But for now, when you have these made, we are just going to go ahead and put everything off to the side and finish up our video and then come back to these at the end. So if you need to pause the video and finish these, go ahead and then join me again. Okay, let's take a look here. And in this video, we are going to read words with two of our groups of vowel sounds, the bossy R's and our new diphthongs. Okay? And you know, as we do that, okay, you know, one way to read words is to sound them out, where we make the sounds of the letters in the word and then blend and put them together. Okay, and as we do that, our five vowels, A, E, I, O, U, are very important because in every word, every syllable, you will have at least one vowel. Now, you can have more than one, but you need at least one. And vowels can be different sounds and patterns. Okay, so let's start with our first group here, the bossy R's. Okay. Now, with a bossy R, you know you have the vowel and R next to each other in a word, with the R coming right after that vowel. Okay? And when R comes after the vowel, it bosses and bullies it around with its big, loud sound. And the vowel can't even make its sound. We won't hear it. Okay? So we might have two letters, but one sound together, a bossy R. Okay? So when the vowel and the R are beside each other in a word, okay, with the R coming right after that vowel, okay, we just hear a sound of the R, a bossy R. Okay? So let's quickly go over our bossy R sounds. We know AR together can say R, like in the middle of park. We know OR together can say or, like in the middle of fort, and it's also the little word or. And we know ER, IR, UR, all three can say like that robot moving around. Or like at the end of beaver. Okay, so R or are our three bossy R sounds. Okay, they're a little bit different, but what is the same is we just hear a sound of the R in each one, a bossy R. Okay. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and read these words with our bossy R's, and I want you to follow along, do this with me, and say this with me. We're going to sound out as we need to and read. Let's go. Shark, shark, sport, sport, her, firm, burst, burst. Okay, let's go right into our diphthongs. Okay, and you know, with the diphthong, we do have two vowels side by side. Okay, but they do not make a long vowel sound with the first vowel saying its name, like with a vowel T. With the diphthongs, the two vowels join together to make one new special sound. Two vowels, one sound together. Okay? And the special sound of OW and OU is ow. Okay? Like we hear in the middle of flower and like we hear in the middle of cloud. So OU, OW can both say ow. You can also remember them like getting pinched. Ow, ow, ow. So now let's read words with ow. Ow, now. Ow, how. Ow, cow. Crowd, crowd. Owl, owl. Out, out. Hour, hour. Out, shout. And, round, and, found. Hey, that easily. We just read words with our bossy R's and new diphthongs. Okay? Now, those 4 cards you made, put those back in front of you. And with your pencil, here's the task you're going to do. Okay? You are going to pick 2 bossy R words from here. I do not care which 2. And you're going to write those 2 on 2 cards. Okay? So pick 2 bossy R words and then write those on 2 of the cards. Okay? So you'll have a bossy R word on each. Okay? And then I would like you to pick 2 of our new diphthong words. 1 with OW, write it on a card, and 1 with OU, write it on a card. Don't care which ones. Okay? Then, once you have your 4 word cards completed, and again, if you need to finish these, which you probably do, you can pause the video and then join me again. So, again, pick 2 bossy R words, write them on cards. So you'll have 2 cards with bossy R words. And then from our new diphthongs, choose a word with OW and a word with OU and write them on the last 2 cards. Okay? So pause, do that, and click back on. Okay, once you have your word cards made, we're going to lay them out in a straight line. Now, I'm going to see if I can scoot you back and see if I can. All right, there's 2 cards. Here are 3, and here are 4. Okay, so let's see if we can move these in. Okay, all right, so there are our 4 cards. What I would like you to do is I would like you to practice picking up the cards and reading the word on the card. So boom, 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 boom. And try doing that several times, okay? And see if you can get faster each time and read these words boom, okay? Just read them right away when you see them. Read as fast as the wind. So you can try this several times and see if you can get faster each time. This will build up your fluency, okay? And that's how you can close out this video, okay? Alrighty, I will see you in the next one.